Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about generation different size for specific image, which is very important part in Android, and I will tell you why. So if you see I have this just specific activity, and this activity have different size: HDPI, IDPI, MDPI, XHDPI, XXHDPI, and XXX HDPI. And all this activity, if you see same, and all of these are using image view. Imagine I want to use this image in all the activity. What's the problem you may have? If you see the image size here is 1000 by 618, if you add this image in drawable and you try to use it in different app, it will work normally on this type of activity. And it also work normally in this type of activity or on this type of devices. But I'm sure 100% it will not here, it will not work here, and it will not work here, and it will not work here. It will crash and it will give you error saying using memory size is not enough, because this device size is small and it cannot be able to reach the size, so the app automatically crashes. So you will see, hey, my apps work good in emulator and it work good in the same type of devices. Why is not working on other type of devices? That's because you use one image with same size and you want to handle it by different device size, and this is not what you want. You have to have different size for your image with different devices. So how I could get different size for this image? Really easy peasy. Just go ahead to GitHub. This is tool, name it final Android resizer, and this URL. There is many tools, but I would say this is the easiest one. So if I click here, download it, and I'll tell you how I could use it. So here you go. This is the tool now. If you see this a tool, here is the executable JR. I just run it. This is what I'm looking for, because this is the tool. So let me just go back and reach the image and see what this tool do for me. If you see this tool, it generate different device or different size for the image. It generate IDPI, MDPI, and this one for TV, HDPI, and XHDPI, XXX. You could generate whatever size you want. You just check it on check in or check out. I want to generate all the size because all the size I'm using. Then I select the destination, which destination I want to add my image. Let me suppose as just startup, I will add it on the desktop. So just I go to my desktop and add this my destination, and make sure this is image tab. We have more than image tab in Android. We have MIP map. This is for other type, but we will use now drawable. So because we want to add our image in drawable, we want to add our image in this folder. So I generate as drawable. So just take it, add your image. Here you go, done. This is different size for your image. If you see I have different size, I just take all this and I copy them. I go to my project. Where is my project? So where I install it or where I have this app, I have it here in download / my application. That's mean I have it here in download, and this is, I just go to app, I think SRC, then main, then resource, then here you go. I just copy and paste it here. If you see, here you go. Now if you see, I just have different size for drawable, HDPI, MDPI, and other stuff. I go back to my project. One thing I will do, I just refresh the project to make it loading my image. So if you see, here is in drawable, I see Homer, the image that I have different size for it. So here you go. That is exactly what I want. Now, if I just go here to say, okay, this image will load the image that I have named Homer. So drawable Homer. I hope everything will work fine. Yes, here you go. I just take it here and I use it all the image, same image for different device size for this one, and I will use it for all other devices. So this one and this one. Now you are 100% your image will work fine, and you will not have any memory crash because the size of your image, and that's what I want to, or that's what I'm looking for in this app. So I hope now everything is cool and convenient. So yes, this is, here you go. this one, yes, this. So here is it. So different size, same image, it work with different device sizes. One final thing, you want to add another image. So okay, I have this image, I want to generate different file size. I just add it here, waiting some time, I will see it. I will see in the drawable, he will create image for me. This is the image. So what I will do, if you go to your project, so this is my project. So if you see I have app, you remember resource, main, and in the main you have this resource, this is the sizes. So for example, I have here, I have HDPI, just copy it and go to drawable HDPI and paste it. And do it for the next ADPI, just copy it, go to drawable ADPI and paste it, and continue for all the images. MDPI, just copy it and go to drawable MDPI and post it, and continue for all other images. This one will be XADPI, and this third one XXHDPI, and let me do the last one and we will be okay. So this is the basically how you move other images sizes. Maybe you'll have problem with different. In Windows just drag and drop it, but in Mac you cannot drag and drop it, so it's better to follow someone command. If you see, here is it, without refreshing, he just already create for us in a drawable folder, name it Android, and different size for Android. Now we are 100% we will not have any error with memory. Here we done, and see you next.